There's a lot of excitement here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society because of this little guy right here. This is Sampson. He's 1 to 2 years old. We call him Sammy. And he is just the most amazing cat. If you search back and look for his name, Sampson, and it may help if you use the year 2015 here at Noah's Kingdom, you'll see his first video where he was dirty. He had some wounds that still were healing, and he was so scared that he stayed in his cubicle. Now, this little guy has showed his true personality to all of us because he is a lovey kitty and a lap cat too. He was sitting on my lap just a moment ago. He's a snowshoe breed as well. I could stare into his blue eyes all day long, and somebody is going to get this kitty. How great is that? That somebody is going to visit Noah's Kingdom and get to adopt Sampson. We call him I keep messing this up. Handsome Sampson. There. Handsome Sampson. 1 to 2 years old. He's got all of his shots. He is ready to go home to a forever home. He is a beautiful kitty. He's a snowshoe breed. He was rescued as a stray, however, but he is so loving, so sweet. He's playful, and he's just a terrific kitty cat. So come visit Handsome Sampson, or we also call him Sammy, here at the shelter. Look at those blue eyes of his. Look at his blue eyes, everybody. He is so handsome, isn't he? And he is available here at Noah's Kingdom. When you adopt him, I would expect that for a few days he will be shy and scared. That would be completely natural. I would be surprised if he wasn't a little scared when he goes to his forever home, but then when he comes out of his shell, he is the most lovable kitty cat ever. Handsome Sampson, 1 to 2 years old, available at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. Thanks a million for watching, and stop by during one of our adoption clinics to adopt Sammy. Good boy.